Hello everybody, welcome to another Let's Play episode on Farming Simulator 2015 with me, Not Too Old Gamer. I'm working on the animals on the farm right now. If you'll remember, the Norgeholm map has some extra animals. There's the stock chickens, sheep, and dairy cows, and then it adds fattening chickens, cows, and pigs to the mix. So I'm right now running with silage, trying to make sure I've got food for all the different animals. Make sure I've got all of them producing their whatever it is that they produce at the most efficient way possible. So dragging some silage up the hill. I think I've probably got way too much, but this is the trailer that I was using, so I just sort of went with it. Let's back it in there and start unloading. So if we look over at our different PDA panels, we've got 60 chickens. They're at 110% productivity, although they need wheat and water. The sheep are at 110% productivity. They've got plenty of grass. I'm not sure how much water they need, but I'll check that in a minute. The dairy cows, we're working on silage. They've got grass, and they still need mixed ration. Probably need to look at water and straw as well. Then the pig fattening, they need I need to check their water level, get their grain and their earth fruits, and mixed ration. Same thing on the cows. And the chickens, about the same thing. So definitely some work to do to get all these guys producing all that they can. Maybe I didn't have too big of a trailer. The cows obviously needed some silage. Let's go get some more. And this is one part of the Norgeholm map that I really do like, that all of these items, silage, mixed ration, grass, have specific storage areas that you can, when you are emptying a silage bin, you don't have to wait until you can use it. You can go ahead and store it over here. And it's ready whenever you need it. So one thing I do not like about this particular way of storing things is if you manage to put your trailer on that yellow square, you'll start getting whatever it is. So I want silage. I've pulled up to the silage conveyor. Almost full. Alright. So I have not done any play courses for this, since this is the first time I'm dealing with these animals. I'm probably not quite sure what I want to automate yet, but knowing me, I'll want to do something. I wonder how much silage these cows are actually going to end up taking. So I just put one whole trailer, or just about one whole trailer in there, and now I've got another one. Okay, so it took a total of 45,000 liters of silage, and now let's go check the chickens. I went and did the beef cows and pigs earlier. The sheep don't need any silage, so we're left with just the chickens. Silage is not accepted here. Wonder where it is accepted. Somewhere in here. Okay, so they got a little bit. 607. Okay, that's not very much. But whatever. I guess chickens don't eat much. Well, let's go store this back, and we'll do mixed ration next. Wow, my frame rate is low. I am really not sure what's up with that, but can guarantee I'll be trying to figure that out later. Silage is in the third one, mixed ration is in the fourth one. Right there, that's Mischfutter, and it's mixed fodder. In episode 1, I think in the comments I posted kind of a German glossary for this map, thanks to Google. That helps a little bit. I've got it written down here, so if I have any questions like what goes there again, I can go look it up. But let's go get some Mischfutter. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. In the trailer and take it up to our animals. Okay, it's in the fourth one. Wow, I'm going to take almost all of my mixed ration for this trailer load. Hopefully it'll fill it up. So while we're down here, we'll go ahead and take care of the pigs and beef cows. So the cows took 6,304 mixed ration. They still need grain, earth fruits, and I need to check on their water. Same thing with the pigs after I get the mixed ration in. One of the things I do not like about this map is that these animal installations, there's basically two areas for the animal installations. That just seems odd to me that really, if they were going to make an area over here for the animals, it seems like all of them could have gone. But that's a pretty small complaint, and overall this is a great map. Or at least it's a great map when my computer's able to drive it at a high enough frame rate. I'm not sure if I did this off camera or not, but I have combined fields 29 and 30 at this point. You can check out my video on crop yields to find out the results of that project. As you may recall, I was going through and planting each crop individually on field 29 and measuring the amount of yield. The results were pretty interesting. It's pretty obvious once you started looking at the yields that sugar beets and potatoes were going to be really nice, but seeing the numbers is very interesting because you can see just exactly how many more sugar beets and potatoes you get for a given field area. Goodness, we're out of mixed ration in the trailer already. That's for the dairy cows, and well, they've got 27,000 mixed ration. Still haven't been any to the chickens. It's a little frustrating. Let's see, what else do we need up there? We need earth fruits and grain. Earth fruits, grain, earth fruits, grain. Wheat is specifically called out for the chickens. So I think, I'm not sure grain in this case. Doesn't seem like it would be wheat. It seems like it would be corn for, especially for the fattening animals. So, let's see how much corn we have. 24,000 corn. We can take some up. We won't have enough to fill this trailer up, but we'll have enough to at least give it a shot. I haven't mentioned it this one. I do, even though it's kind of annoying when the conveyors pop on as soon as you get on that orange square. I do like that the map includes them. It makes it really easy to know where to stop your trailers. So we'll load this up with corn and take it up to our fattening animals. Alright. Bridge is very interesting looking. Right. So the grain area is over here in between the silos. And I believe the unload trigger is right here somewhere. There we go. This clearly shows that I need to plant some more corn and harvest it. I do have corn planted. I was planning on using the chaffing harvester on it, but I might need to go ahead and use the corn header just for the animals. Let's see how many fields I have planted with corn. So I've got these fields. They look to be barley. There's a field of canola. That's a field of sugar beets. That's a field of corn. So I've got field 28 is planted with corn. I guess I'll have to do that with the corn header, not the chaffing header for the tractor. That's good. This guy's still pretty heavy getting up this hill. We'll get the chickens fed and then go do water. That trailer does not want to turn very tight. There we go. Okay, so everybody seems to be okay there. Next up, we've got to do water. And I should probably take mixed ration to the chickens at some point. And wheat to the egg-laying chickens. And earth fruits. Okay, so water, earth fruits. I still have some mixed ration to deliver. This probably gets easier, but right now it's like, wow, there are a lot of things you've got to do to take care of animals in this game. Corn is not accepted here, but it is accepted at the next one. Now let's go get earth fruits while I've got this trailer connected. I think sugar beets work as earth fruits. I hope so. Otherwise, if it has to be potatoes, it's going to be a while because I don't have any. Apparently I didn't hit the trigger either. There we go. While that's loading, let's go we'll take this and get some straw to scatter around for the manure. This guy is full, so let's go fill up the earth fruits for our various animals. Questions. Sugar beet not accepted here. Why not? Oh, because I put potatoes in it. That's a reasonable reason. This is the cow barn. It has no earth fruits. I guess maybe you can't put sugar beets there. Maybe it has to be potatoes. Interesting. Let's see what the pigs have to say. I wonder, maybe that not accepted here is on the, yes, it might be on the grain point. Let's try that again on the cow one. It seems like a pretty short error message since they are so close. Yes, it is just the grain trigger, I guess. It was saying that you can't load earth fruits into the green grain tank, and that probably makes sense. Now all we have to do, I'm trying to remember if the fattening chickens need earth fruits. They do. Well, I'm going to take that up there, and then, actually I'm going to park this and go water things. That's done. Let's go get our water tank. Uh-oh. Hit the trailer. Pack the silage. I just remember I've got greenhouses up here. I need to put some things in those too. I guess that'll be another episode. For this one, I really just want to get watering done. Alright, here we go. It's full. So let's go see how much water they need. Refill water. I don't have. I remember refill water on the barn. Yes, okay. It is refilling the barn's water tank, not my traveling tank. Although I will probably need to refill it in just a minute. I wonder, is there a water fountain up here somewhere? Where's the closest one? Yes, I think the closest one is back at the main farm. So that's where I'm going, but animals, it's kind of important to make sure you have everything they want. So you can see now with the addition of the wheat and water to the chickens, they're at 110% productivity. The sheep are at 110% productivity. The cows are at 110% productivity for dairy. And then the pigs are at 100%. They need maybe something else. I don't know if I mean, it seems reasonable. 100% would be the max, but the others do go to 110. But pigs and beef both have everything they're asking for, and they're at 100% productivity. The fattening chickens do not have earth fruits or mixed ration, and they're at 60%. So the way to get them up to 100% is by adding total mixed ration and earth fruits, which I'm going to do next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.